3 drops, that's it. Not a pill, not a complicated protocol, not another stack of powders promising miracles. Just 3 drops that gently signal your body to loosen, soften, and move more freely, almost as if someone quietly turned your system back on. As the years go by, we all notice the clues: colder hands, slower mornings, less drive when you know you should have more. I'm Dr. Carolina, and I help people rebuild daily vitality in ways that feel simple and sustainable, not overwhelming. Today, I want to give you a habit so small you can finish it before your coffee even cools. No hype, no shortcuts, just a natural way to support your body's rhythm. Before we begin, take 1 second to support the channel. Tap the like button, subscribe so you don't miss future health insights, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from today. Now here's the idea. Once a day, 3 drops. Focus on consistency, not intensity. It won't shock your system or force a change. Instead, it settles you. Your internal pressure feels calmer. Your daily flow feels smoother. And the best part, it's not a stimulant. It doesn't create fake energy. It simply supports the way your body prefers to function. In a moment, I'll show you exactly which oil I'm talking about, how to take it, what researchers are noticing about it, and what to look for when choosing a bottle. But first, let's talk about why something this gentle can help so many people, especially past midlife. The shift you feel with age is subtle, almost invisible. Your tissues lose flexibility, your internal pathways respond more slowly. The natural signaling that once kept everything moving starts to dim. You wake up colder. Your energy arrives later. You tire sooner than you used to. Most people blame age, but what they're really feeling is the chemistry of stress, sleep disruption, heavy meals, and daily tension slowly reshaping their internal rhythm. Inside your body, the cells lining your pathways work all day, every day. Heavy foods strain them. Sleepless nights weaken them. Stress tightens them. Over time, they become less responsive and everything begins to feel a little sticky, stiff, or sluggish. This doesn't affect just one organ. It affects everything: your clarity, energy, mobility, warmth, even your confidence. Quick fixes may mask the symptoms, but they don't address the root problem. Your body doesn't need artificial stimulation. It needs gentle reminders of how it's designed to flow. That reminder comes from a natural compound hidden inside one specific oil. This compound helps your cells relax, breathe, and regulate themselves the way they were meant to. Imagine feeling the clock turn back slightly, your hands warmer, your focus clearer, your steps lighter, your motivation returning in a quiet, grounded way. That's exactly what this oil supports. It isn't exotic, expensive, or rare. It has been used for over 1,000 years, only now is modern research catching up. This oil, black seed oil, contains a compound called thymoquinone, known for its powerful calming and antioxidant effects. It supports your internal lining, helping your pathways feel smoother and more open. When these lining cells absorb thymoquinone, they stop reacting wildly to everyday stress and return to a balanced, steady rhythm. And when your internal pathways are open, your warmth improves, your energy rises, your mind clears, and your daily strength returns. Black seed oil doesn't create instant fireworks, it creates quiet, reliable balance. For most people, subtle shifts begin around week 2. By weeks 8 through 12, many describe smoother movement, steadier mornings, calmer mood, better focus, and a grounded confidence. This isn't a stimulant, this is internal restoration, and the people who experience the best results are those who use small amounts consistently, not large amounts occasionally. Now that you understand the why, let's talk about the how. In part 2, I'll walk you through exactly how to take your daily 3 drops, how to choose a quality oil, common mistakes to avoid, what changes to expect week by week, and the simple habits that amplify the benefits even more. 3 drops, that's your daily reset. Simple, small, and effective. Use a glass dropper, place the drops under your tongue, hold them there for about a minute, then swallow gently. This allows the compounds to absorb quickly. If the taste feels strong, which it will, you can mix the drops into a small amount of water or juice. Orange juice works best for most people. You can take it before breakfast or with a meal that contains healthy fats like eggs, avocado, or olive oil. Morning is ideal because that's when your natural rhythm is rising, but truly, consistency is more important than timing. Never heat black seed oil. Heat destroys its active compounds. Keep it raw and start slowly. 1 drop for the first 3 days, then 2, then 3. Let your system adapt. Stay hydrated and store the bottle in a cool, dark place. Refrigeration is ideal. Light and heat weaken the oil's potency. A single bottle usually lasts nearly 2 months, meaning this habit costs less than $1 a day. This is long-term nourishment, not a quick fix. Each drop supports your internal rhythm, and each day builds on the last. Quality matters more than anything. Not all oils are created equal. Many cheap versions are overheated, diluted, or stored in plastic. Real black seed oil is cold-pressed and labeled Nigella sativa. If that's missing from the label, skip it. The color should be deep amber or nearly black. Pale oil means low potency. The scent should be earthy, peppery, and strong, not faint. Always choose dark glass bottles, not plastic. Plastic interacts with oil over time and degrades it. Look for cold-pressed and organic on the label. Avoid oils with extremely long shelf lives. Pure oils don't stay fresh for years. Store it cold, keep it away from heat, and use each bottle within 3 to 6 months. Black seed oil is natural but potent. If you take medications for blood pressure, blood sugar, or clotting, or if you have medical conditions, talk to a professional before starting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using high amounts due to limited safety data. And remember, more is not better. 3 drops are enough. If you feel mild stomach discomfort at first, take it with food. Avoid mixing it with hot beverages. Heat alters its chemistry. Used correctly, black seed oil is gentle, steady, and deeply supportive. Here's what to expect over time. On day 1, you'll likely feel nothing dramatic, maybe a subtle calmness. By day 3 or 4, some people feel warmth in their hands or an overall sense of settling. After 1 week, your internal pathways feel more responsive. By week 2, energy becomes lighter and morning clarity improves. By week 3, heaviness fades and movement feels easier. After a month, your natural signaling becomes more active throughout the day. At 2 months, many describe smoother digestion, better focus, and steadier energy. By 3 months, this habit becomes automatic. People often report brighter skin, deeper rest, calmer mood, and a renewed sense of daily confidence. The changes are slow but durable. Stop using it, and the benefits fade gradually. Stay consistent, and your internal balance stays alive. Pairing your 3-drop routine with small daily habits amplifies the results dramatically. Start each morning with water to keep your pathways hydrated. Add deep breathing to activate your body's natural flow. Move lightly, walk, stretch, or do a few push-ups. Take your 3 drops as part of your morning ritual. Eat balanced meals, avoid heavy late-night eating, and practice slow breathing before bed to reduce internal tension. Spend time outdoors weekly. Small habits build harmony. Black seed oil works best when your lifestyle supports it. Now, cost and value. A good bottle costs $40 to $80 and lasts almost 2 months, less than $1 a day. Cheaper oils often lack potency, so you end up paying for something that doesn't work. Consistency is the true investment. Many people quit too early, expecting instant results. Don't. Your body needs time. Give this habit at least 8 weeks. Track your warmth, clarity, and energy over time. Tiny, consistent actions create real change. 3 drops. 1 simple habit. A small signal that helps your system remember how to flow, breathe, and restore itself. You don't need extreme shortcuts. You need rhythm. When flow returns, everything follows. Sleep, clarity, movement, confidence. You rediscover that your body isn't breaking down. It's waiting for alignment. Start tomorrow morning. 3 drops. 30 days. Notice the difference. Share your experience below so others can learn from your journey. Subscribe for more science-based guidance and share this with someone who needs natural support. I'm Dr. Carolina. Remember, sometimes the strongest support comes in the smallest dose. Take care of your flow, take care of your confidence, and join me in the next video where I'll teach you a nighttime technique that helps your body recover more deeply and wake stronger in the morning.